Hello, welcome to Module 3, Quantitative Research Design. In this module, we'll be focusing exclusively on quantitative methods which are associated with the discovery paradigm or the positivist paradigm or the social scientific paradigm. Those are three different terms that are often used for this perspective. So there's several chapters that we'll be discussing in this chapter. Chapter 14 is on content analysis, and this is an unobtrusive way, meaning that we can observe a text without interfering with people's everyday lives. So we might look at a TV show, song, a movie, newspapers, magazines, to analyze a particular text. Survey research is a topic of Chapter 15, and this is an approach that you're probably very familiar with. It's one of the most common in social scientific and communication research. So we're gathering people's attitudes or perceptions, their beliefs, through open or closed-ended questions on a survey instrument. Then Chapter 18 is on experimental designs, and this chapter focuses on how we can establish a causal relationship or a cause and effect. So how does the independent variable cause a change in the dependent variable? So we might collect some data through content analysis or through survey research, but it's an experimental design, and there are different pre and true experimental designs that are discussed in Chapter 18. Then in Chapter 16 and 17, we'll just have a brief description of statistics, both descriptive and inferential statistics. And I want you to know that we're not focusing on how to actually calculate these, but I want you to know what their meaning is and when would you use a particular statistic. And that's particularly true for Chapter 17, is if you were given a particular description of a study, would you know which statistical test needed to be used? So the tasks for Module 3 are to read Chapters 14, 15, 18, 16, and 17. Review the lessons in Module 3 that are posted in Blackboard, and those lessons are supplements to the chapter material. Post your comments to the two VoiceThread forums. Complete quizzes 10 through 15, and you'll notice that the quizzes have been separated from the lessons this time so that you can access them at different times. And then submit portion A and B of the research proposal paper. So in this part of the paper, what you'll be doing is revising portion A based on the feedback that I give you, and then adding portion B to your revised portion A to create one complete paper. So in portion B, this is the heart of the study that you're proposing, the method section. So you'll be describing how you'll sample your population, ethical considerations, and this is always true if you are interacting with people, procedures for your data collection, and how you'll be measuring your variables. And then make sure you include appropriate appendices, and these are described in the syllabus. So this could be your informed consent form for ethical considerations, your measurement instrument or survey instrument that you'd be using. So those are the appendices that you might have for the paper. Portion B is 3 to 4 pages added to portion A. And I want to emphasize again to please get in touch with me if you have any questions about the paper or anything in the class. If you can't come to my office hours during the week, send me an email. We can meet by Zoom or talk on the telephone. So whatever works for both of us, I'm happy to help you out.